Let's use the Coralogix Lambda shipper. So the best way of doing this is via integrations. Once again, integrations can be arrived at via the data flow tab in the top here. Lots and lots of different options. We've already connected Cloudwatch using Firehose, so let's have a look at how to do it using the Lambda shipper. It's really, really easy. It's just as easy because the integrations are so nice to use. And while you're here, have a look at the other integrations that are available. This should always be your first port of call. There's direct integrations for like VPC flow logs and Cloudwatch metrics, Kubernetes, all sorts of different options there. Now, let's open up Cloudwatch here. Notice it's slightly different. It's just AWS Cloudwatch, not via Firehose. And those are typically two different integrations, two different use cases. So we'll hit Add New. And we're kind of faced with something that will be familiar now if you've watched the Firehose video. You just have some configuration. So I'll create a new API key and I'll call it Cloudwatch Lambda shipper, for example. And not cancel it would be ideal. There we go. We'll create that. Now done. So that's been populated. Now I need to know some Cloudwatch log group names. It's not like the most important thing in the world right now, just for the sake of this. But there's lots and lots of different options here that you can choose from. This one here looks pretty good. It's got some data in there. So I'll just take this and I will return back to Coralogix and I will paste this in. This is a comma separated list, by the way. So if you want to add multiple, you can do that as well. So we've got that. Now there's a bunch of different configurations here. You can set the memory and timeout and log level of the Lambda function. You can set more advanced settings on notification emails and so on. I'm going to leave all this default, but if you do want to add something, you definitely can. For the subsystem, it'll dynamically generate this from the log name, which is kind of cool. And the application name is AWS. It's up to you. I'm going to leave these again as default. So when I hit next, I automatically get this page. So if anyone's seen this before, you'll know what this looks like. But essentially, it's a pre-populated CloudFormation stack. So when I create CloudFormation, you can see here that we have the template. We have a bunch of information here on API key and integration ID and so on. So lots and lots of different configuration options here. I'm going to scroll straight past them. Just acknowledge that these things are going to do a bunch of stuff. So it's going to create IAM resources. It's going to make IAM resources with customized names. And it's also going to use the capability auto expand. So these are all just things that it may do. You have to approve these just so AWS knows that you know what you're doing. You're conscious of the fact that you're deploying this predefined template to your account. So when we create the stack, that's it. It will automatically deploy the Lambda function that will automatically be subscribed to the log groups. And that's as difficult as it needs to be. It's really that straightforward. In a moment, what will happen is the Lambda will be created, new logs will arrive in the CloudWatch log group, and the logs will be generated into the Coralogix UI where they can be parsed and visualized and all sorts. In other videos as part of this course, we'll show what you can do with some of these logs. But this is just a really nice, simple introduction into how to actually explore and how to actually integrate via some of the easiest methods I've seen. And by the way, if you want to delete, even easier, just delete. Remove here, it will automatically generate for you the CloudWatch stack. You'll notice here that it deleted it straight away, and that's because the CloudFormation stack was actually in progress, so there's nothing to delete. So that's everything. You can see here that we've used, with just a few clicks, CloudWatch integrated with Coralogix.